Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder once again for all my viewers, if you have not joined the Telegram group, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. The link in the description box below. Come join the group. We talk about crypto, talk about the latest news, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. So with that being said, let's jump right into content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.369 trillion. We're down 16.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a massive red bloodbath across the board because Bitcoin was unable to hold around the levels it was yesterday. And I did say we have a chance of us falling back down to 30k level, and that's exactly what happened, which took majority of the markets down with it. And that's what we're seeing, a major bloodbath across the board. We are seeing some green since then. Markets are slowly starting to recover, but I am not convinced yet. We have to hit certain Bitcoin price levels for us to actually say that the bottom is officially in and we are off to recovery mode. So we will get into Bitcoin charts later on and see that as well. But today I want to look at none other than VeChain, guys. If we're looking at VeChain's price, right, VeChain has dropped quite significantly today. It's currently trading at 0.077 cents. It's down 24.5% in the last, it has dropped 24.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 13.1% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. If we look at VeChain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, it's currently ranked at a top 22 spot. Market cap right now is $5 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.7 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for VeChain, guys, we have to pay close attention to this. In the last year alone, guys, VeChain is still up 1,622%. So everyone that bought back last year, they're still sitting at $1,600, 1,600% profit, guys. So this goes to show it's not just a downwards trend. We have to look at the bigger picture. It is still up quite significantly, and let's hope that Bitcoin does get back to certain levels and we will see VeChain recover once again. But if we're looking in the last 14 days and the last 7 days, obviously we're down 66%. But that should not come out as a surprise for anyone because it's not only VeChain that's down, it's the entire cryptocurrency market that's down right now. So this should not come out as a surprise for anyone. But now I want to share an article with you guys, and then we will do a price analysis as to what is going on with VeChain and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So I'm not going to go over this article, but I just wanted to share this with you because I believe this is very interesting, and this goes to show the level of interest there really is coming in for the VeChain and other cryptocurrencies from the institution side. So Nasdaq has posted this about VeChain. It says VeChain is a good cryptocurrency to buy at this low price. Now, if you do not know what Nasdaq is one of the largest crypto stock exchanges in the world. And they are posting about VeChain, and they're clearly saying VeChain is a good cryptocurrency to buy at this low price. It's a very interesting article. It goes over everything you need to know about VeChain, and they have made it a new people friendly and to understand what exactly the project is about. And it's very interesting. If you guys want to check it out and read the article, I will leave the link in the description box below. So the reason for me sharing this is because not only you guys can read it, and also this goes to show institutions are looking into crypto, guys. They know what crypto is and they see the future, and they are talking about good projects such as VeChain. It does not come as a surprise for me. I've been saying VeChain has a lot of hype, guys. Do not underestimate that. They have a lot of hype because VeChain at the end of the day has a real utility. strong fundamentals. It has a working product bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. These kind of projects stand out to institutional investors, and that's what we are seeing, Nasdaq talking about it. It does not come out as a surprise for me whatsoever. And VeChain is the future. I always keep saying that these kind of price movements do not get to me, and this is crypto long term. VeChain will succeed very, very, successfully. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could see VeChain go in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at VeChain's price right now, guys, VeChain has broken below this level of support, which I did not like to see. But obviously this does not come as a surprise, because Bitcoin has broken a certain levels as well. And when Bitcoin goes down, what happens to the entire market? I know you guys should know the answer by now. The entire market goes down with it. So you know what? Let me bring up the Fibonacci retracement level right off the bat so we can get a better understanding as to what is going on. We get a better picture in that way then. So if we're looking at the Fibonacci retracement level, you guys can see we have broken below this level of support, and we are below it now. Obviously we came all the way down to 6.55 cents when Bitcoin went to 31k, but since then, guys, if you guys did pick some VeChain up around those levels, you should be up right now roughly around 7.6 cents. We did not see the price like we saw just a couple days ago, where we saw VeChain hit 5.3 cents. I know a lot of my viewers, I've been reading comments lately, a lot of people were saying that we will be seeing I'm sorry, a lot of people were saying that they are placing orders around those levels. There is definitely a chance for that price to occur if Bitcoin decides to fall below 30k. So far we have made a small recovery, a small bounce off after 31k, but that does not mean that there is no downside for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is in the downwards trend, so the entire market is following it right now. But one thing I don't like is that we have to get above this level of support, guys, for VeChain. I definitely want VeChain to get above this level of support and stay around there and close around this level. And you may be asking, Crypto ZX, why do you think that? Because if you guys look, guys, this is a crucial last level of support, like a major last level of support for VeChain, in my opinion. Because as you guys can see, the initial we dipped here once, it held, and we dipped obviously the initial price pullback that we saw, the major bloodbath that we just saw like 2-3 days ago. We wicked all the way down to 5 cents, but guess what happened, guys? We bought back up really quickly, and we touched here once again, wicked down here twice, but bought back up. We were staying above this level of support, but right now, because of Bitcoin, VeChain is down and we have broken up below this level of support. I wanted to get above this as soon as possible. I hope Bitcoin does make a recovery. We will get into Bitcoin charts right now. But yeah, that's what I want for VeChain to do. If it's unable to do that, guys, then we could see some more downwards movement. You guys just have to be prepared for that to occur. I'm just keeping it 100% realistic with you guys. Like I said, I do not like talking about bearish scenarios as well, but you guys know me, all my viewers know me. I keep it 100% realistic for you guys. As much as I like it or not, I have to keep it realistic with you guys. And right now, guys, things are not looking too well, and that is all due to Bitcoin. So what we would like, all of VeChain family, all of us, our main goal is to get above this level of resistance right now, and hold above the 10 cents mark, and we should be good. If we're unable to close above that, there is definitely more downwards movement to occur. But if we close above this and Bitcoin gradually moves up, guys, it does not come out as a surprise for me that VeChain will recover very fast. Markets recover very, very fast, guys. It's all dependent on Bitcoin right now. And also, guys, I've been reading comments left and right. Everyone is like, VeChain is a scam coin. Like, guys, are you kidding me? Like, you guys have your own opinions, but VeChain is far from a scam coin considering what they're doing. And obviously, when markets are pulling down, it does not surprise me that there's so much negative energy coming into the markets. But when we're booming, we're seeing newer all-time highs. Everyone is super bullish. But I know my VeChain family, all the people that believe in VeChain, they're here to stay. They do not care about these price actions. They're here to stay. They know what the long-term future holds. And for you guys know what you guys are doing, so I don't really need to tell you guys. But especially the newcomers coming in the markets, guys, you will not get rich or overnight in cryptocurrencies. I cannot stress this enough. Patience is very much needed in this market. That's why I always say invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence investing in these markets, because patience is very much needed, and you guys got to take profits. I always say that. So maybe for the future reference, now you guys know, and now you guys could basically probably try, say, Crypto ZX was right all along. I always said, when we were around these levels, you guys can go watch my videos, guys. All my, VeChain family, my supporters can vouch for me on this. When we were around this level, I was saying, guys, take profits. If you guys are sitting in massive profits, take some profits, get out of your position, and take some profits and put them on the side. Maybe when the price corrections occurs, you guys can either buy with some VeChain, or you could use that money for your personal use. And guys, this is crypto. At the end of the day, these markets are manipulated and they're very, very unpredictable, so we have to be prepared for these kind of moves to occur. And also, we need to learn how to play these markets by maximizing our profit, maximizing our profit. So you always have to have some sort of exit strategy in place where you could lock in profits and win this market. But this is it for VeChain's update. Now let's get into Bitcoin and see what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, at the end of the day, obviously it's the king of the markets, but it's not looking good, guys. Like, it is not looking good for Bitcoin. We might have a double bottom around here. I would like for a Bitcoin to get to this level over here, guys. Right over here, I believe, because you guys can see we wicked down here earlier at 29,000. This is a $30,000 thing. We did not touch $30,000 yet. We wicked all the way down to 31,000 and bounced back up. But I believe we could possibly fall to 30K, and I'm hoping for a bounce back up. I'm hoping that's just a hope. But if that does not happen, we could go below 30K, and then markets are going to see more bloodbath across the board. So Bitcoin is not looking too well right now, but let's hope for the best. Let's hope we can bounce back up. If it does really drop to 30K, bounce back above it and get back above this level of resistance, which is at $36,200 level, guys. And see, guys, this is why I was saying, when we were at 42K, I was like, I am not convinced, guys. This is why I was not convinced. I thought, there was this gut feeling telling me that, this is a fake out, and I am not convinced until we get above these two level of resistance. And it was unable to do that. And get what happened? Boom. It was clear fake out, and we're seeing prices fall once again. And I'm hoping we do not fall below 30K. I believe there should be a bounce off 30K, and we should be good. If that does not happen, then there is definitely more downwards trend, and markets are in for more bloodbath. But let's hope that does not happen for us. So this is it for Bitcoin's update and VeChain's update. At the end of the day, you guys know my stance on VeChain long term. These price corrections and your pullbacks occur at the at the end of the day, you cannot blame VeChain for this price pullback to occur. It's all mainly due to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king and it rules the market. That's why I always say, take profits, and you need to learn how to maximize your profit gains, and so you can either buy back your dips or not lose your profits. You actually have your profits. So this is what's looking for VeChain. I hope for Bitcoin to get back above this level, which is $36,000, and most importantly, get above $46,450. That's the most important target for me, and I want Bitcoin to hold around that level. If we bring out the measuring tool, guys, Bitcoin is 40. It needs to pump up around 47% to get to that level. It's possible. it's whale manipulated market. They can come and pump the market anytime, so let's hope that occurs. But this is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys thinking about the markets, and what are you doing at this time? Are you picking more VeChain up, or are you just sitting with what you have? Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know where you could see VeChain trading at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts around Book, because June is approaching. So let me know in the comment section below where you will see VeChain trading at the end of June. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This helps out my video a lot and helps me get my video out to a wider audience. And stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And before I end this video, once again, link in the description box below, guys. Come join the Telegram group. What are you waiting for? It's free to join. Let's have fun. During these times, we could talk, and talking does make it better, and you could possibly learn some new things as well. So come join the group, say hello. But with that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.